Hi guys, it's Laura and welcome to my channel. So this is my first ever video that I post on YouTube, but I do have a Musical.ly account if you want to go follow that. It is Laura Alyssa, no ats, no underscores, just Laura Alyssa. So if you find this helpful or you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And once you do that, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss a video. So let's get on to the video. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to spread your legs out so it's easier to go back. So once you spread your legs out, make a diamond shape with your hands and go back and go as far as you can. And every time you can get farther and farther, and if you're scared, you can get a spot. But, make a diamond and spread your legs out and go back. And once you get to the floor, you can, not do the diamond thing anymore. And unspread your legs. And after you're done with that, you can not spread your legs and just make the diamond shape. And then head back and then look for the ground. And once you can do that, you can try it regular. So just put your hands like this and look for the ground. And that is how you do backflip. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. And if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Bye guys. See you later.